All right, this is a Framon 2 code machine. We've got it with the Automotive Discovery Package, very special for the advanced locksmith. This is the machine that just came in. I'm going to open it up. They do very good on the packing.
Hey, keep them up now. Open it.
All right, take a look inside. Okay, they have an envelope. We have another envelope. We have a box. We have a machine. So I'm going to try to lift it out of here. Nothing else in there? That's it. So we've got one machine, a box, a bag, and an envelope. This is rated at 110 as far as the motor. They do have them in 12 volts, special order. So with the Framon, you get some accessories. We have the box, we're going to open that next. All right, this box, taking it out, going to open it up. This is what they call is a micrometer. This allows you to measure keys and adjust the machine to within a thousandth of an inch. So fully closed, it's at 0. Then if you put pressure coming this way, the dial will start going around, these will open up. And this is what you would measure a key with. And here, that's for holes. And then you got a thing at the end here. This also measures stuff. So this is how we keep everything lined up. Comes in a carrying case to keep it safe. Always put it away. In the Framon 2 Automotive Discovery Package, they give you a bag. We're going to open up the bag. This is the bag. I'm going to open it up. Good packaging. Okay. First off, we see an 88 thousandths slaughter. Next up, we see the vise. This is a large vise for automotive keys. Two springs inside. These go together. This is a big side where you would hold the keys. And it's got stops. All right. We've got 5 spacing blocks, an Allen wrench, a stop, and a shim. And that's all that's in the bag. All right, I was looking at what was in the bag, and I noticed that there was 5 spacing blocks. There's supposed to be 6. And then I looked on the machine, and sure enough, there's one here. So yeah, that's all good. Next up, we have the folder. All right, let's see what's inside. It's got an envelope. Framon guarantee. Registration form. What's the next step? Read this before installing generic code. That must be the envelope. There's a manual to help you get familiar with the machine. And then we have generic code on a flash drive. There's a one-time unlocking code. All right, so in this package you should have everything you need to do amazing stuff. This machine has 2 dials, 110 motor. It does have a vise that goes from Medico either way. So it's a very versatile machine that does a lot of stuff. And we'll get into that stuff on the next video.